Solution. Step 1, we're going to translate this. Translate from exponential form to logarithmic form. So that will give us log base 0.23 of the number 18.4 equals the exponent x. Wow, there it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. But we might be able to clean it up. Let's see what we can do with this. You know, we'd like to turn this backwards. Let's just turn it backwards. X equals log base 0.2 times x. 0.23, my bad. 0.23. Okay, 0.23. Okay, of the number 18.4. Well, I just don't know what that value is. I mean, on the exam, I would leave it like this, but on homework, I need to actually evaluate this. So we're going to use note number 105 that we just saw, the change of base formula. That's step 2, to help us see what's going on here. To rewrite this, and the base that we want to write it in is either log base 10 or log base e, because those are the two log bases that the calculator can consume and give you an answer for. So let's just choose log. So that means that x is equal to, we have a fraction. On the top we have log base invisible 10 is what I choose, because we get to choose the base. Log base invisible 10 of the number 18.4 over log base invisible 10, the same base, of the number 0.23, because that's what we saw in note 105. The log base b of the number n can be written as log of a base that I choose of the number 18.4 over log same base of the base. Same base that I chose for the top and bottom. Okay, so at this point I'm ready to pick up my calculator, so I'll put step 3, use calculator. And that will give us x is approximately equal to negative 1.9816. Now I've rounded that. I rounded that to 4 places after the decimal point as they asked. Okay, so now make a little dotted line. I want you to try. Step 1, step 2, step 3. You try. Do the same thing. 4. So they're asking you to solve log base 3. They just want you to evaluate log base 3 of the number 4.78, and we want same thing for this to 4 decimal places. So this is a different question actually, because the other one was an equation and this one is just an expression, and we're going to simplify. Let's write that. Simplify. That's better than saying same thing. No, forget about that. Solution. Let's see. The first thing we're going to do is step 2, translate. No, we don't need to translate this. What we need to do is just use note 105 to write it in a new base. So this is equal to log, and now I'm going to choose log base e or log base n because my calculator can evaluate it. So I'm going to use 10 here, log base 10 of the number 4.78 over log base 10 of the number 3. And what's really cool is if you had chosen to do this in ln, the natural log of 4.78 over the natural log of 3, you would be perfectly right, and your answer would actually equal the same as mine. I put this through my calculator, and I get approximately 1.4240 when I round it to 4 decimal places. So try it with the natural log button and see that you get exactly the same answer that I get.